Thanks for catching up with Marine Surety. As a leader in alternative marine insurance, I wanted to share some crucial insights about vintage wooden boats and their unique insurance needs. These beautiful vessels are more than just boats. They're pieces of maritime history that require specialized protection. At Marine Surety, we understand that standard marine policies just don't cut it when it comes to these classic beauties. Let me tell you what makes these vessels so special from an insurance perspective. Unlike modern boats, wooden vessels face distinct challenges. They're susceptible to rot, marine growth, and require specialized maintenance. Plus, many feature original hardware that's irreplaceable. But here's what's really interesting. These boats often appreciate in value over time, which completely changes the insurance equation. We've developed specialized coverage that considers everything from the original craftsmanship to historical significance. Our policies include agreed value coverage, protection for period-correct components, and even coverage for traditional craftsmen during restorations. We also understand the importance of proper documentation and surveys conducted by wooden boat specialists. What really sets us apart is our deep understanding of the claims process for these vintage vessels. We know where to find qualified restoration specialists and how to source period-correct materials. It's not just about fixing a boat, it's about preserving history. At Marine Surety, we're committed to ensuring these maritime treasures are protected for future generations. Whether you're restoring a classic craft or maintaining a vintage sailboat, we've got the expertise and coverage solutions you need.